Welcome to another video with www.balconywaterproofing.co.za. Today we're in Randburg at a complex called Santa Fe. How do you make your balcony last long? Well, this balcony is now 12 years old, and how did we do that? First of all, we used a light colored tile so that the expansion contraction didn't prematurely age the waterproofing. It also didn't transfer heat into the slab, which then kick, as the architects call it, the walls and crack the walls. This also causes a circumferential crack around the edges of the balcony, which runs through the outlet, as you can see over there. The waterproofing runs through the outlet, and thus the water drops off the waterproofing. In addition to that, on the sliding door threshold over here, we've had to trench under the sliding door, exposing and supporting the sliding door while filling it with waterproofing. This has worked amazingly well, and we're very proud of this balcony. This complex has 152 units, and the two upstairs units have balconies, so half the complex has balconies. So it's a lot of work that we did here, and there's a reason why these complexes use us, because our products have stood the test of time. We're very proud of our waterproofing formulation, and we've proven with track record that the waterproofing lasts. It's easy for a company to state what the guarantee is. It's another kettle of fish for the company to show a balcony to the same age. If you would like your balcony to perform like this for longevity, please reach out to us and we'll do a quotation for you. Make it a great day and follow us in further videos.